Hi guys, welcome to Quant Masters. A very good afternoon to you. I am Deepshikha Rana. I feel so delighted to tell you that हमारे Quant Masters से more than 500 students have got placed in the last 2 months. And I'm so happy to see your responses guys. Thank you so much. ऐसे ही प्यार देते रहो और हम आपके लिए informations लाते रहेंगे, आपको help करते रहेंगे. And I know this placement has like hit us like badly, but we at Quant Masters assure you that we will leave no stone unturned to get you the best placement training at the affordable prices, the best prices, everybody wants it. Then thirdly, we'll get you the best material. Fourth, a user friendly app access. So अगर आप मैं आपको कुछ जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शंस के बारे में बताने वाली हूँ. देयर बी 3 जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शंस दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट टुडे. फर्स्ट इज टाटा एलेक्सी, सेकंड इज माइंडट्री, थर्ड इज इन्फोसिस. इन्फोसिस इज जस्ट फॉर तेलंगाना पीपल, सो गेट दैट नोटेड. सो आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि आज हिमांशु सर क्यों नहीं आए. हिमांशु सर गाइज इसलिए नहीं आए क्योंकि वो बिजी थे आज, एंड आई एम हिज प्रॉक्सी टुडे and maybe for the rest of the time as well. So please bear with me. So let me share the screen with you so that you get some idea. uh, so guys, you can reach us out at www.conmasters.in, and let me share with you the home page. This is our home page guys. Here is the placement. You can go to the placements. You can check all the latest placements available here. You can also join our Telegram channel here. The link is here. So if you want to join the Telegram channel, you can join it directly from here. And let us talk about Tata Elxsi today. So Tata Elxsi, the post is for the software engineer. The location is Bengaluru, my personal favorite. Chennai, Pune, Trivandrum. The salary is 3.5 lakhs per annum. The registration will open on 9th Feb, 10:30 p.m. and will close by 10th Feb, 6:30 a.m. So you just got one day. Buckle up, guys. Register yourself. Don't forget. And this is the job description. I'll tell you the steps. You have to register yourself for this, and then second will be your profiles will get shortlisted, you'll get a mail. Third will be selection test will be conducted on Hacker Earth platform. Here it is. Fourth will be technical interview. Fifth has to be HR interview. जो select होते हैं भाई, बधाई आप लोगों को एडवांस में, एंड मिठाई पहुंचा देना. एंड देन एलिजिबिलिटी हैज टू बी ग्रेजुएशन ईयर 2020. आपके दोस्त, आपके फ्रेंड्स, आपके रिलेटिव्स जो भी ये जॉब में इंटरेस्टेड होंगे, प्लीज लेट देम नो एंड दे शुड आल्सो रजिस्टर फॉर इट. Then degree has to be BE BTech, stream has to be ECE, triple E, CSE, IT, telecommunication. Then अपने कान खुले रखो, ये जो मैंने अभी स्ट्रीम्स बोली उनके लिए. परसेंटेज हैज टू बी 65% थ्रू आउट, एंड CGPA हैज टू बी 6.5 CGPA होना चाहिए. एंड नो बैकलॉग्स गाइज, नो बैकलॉग्स. एंड फॉर्मेट एज आई टोल्ड यू, प्रोग्रामिंग क्वेश्चंस होंगे, बट 2 क्वेश्चंस होंगे. सुन लो, 2 क्वेश्चंस होंगे. Openings are 600. Quite a number. Quite a number, guys. So prepare कर लो. 9th Feb से 10th Feb तक registration आपकी open है इसके लिए, और जितना हो सकता है उतना like ध्यान दो अभी आपकी programming skills पे. Now दूसरी company that we'll be talking about is Mindtree, guys. So let's read about it. What's in it is So eligibility criteria is BE, BTech in CS, IT, and circuital branches only. These 3 branches only. So job position is software engineer again, guys. And thirdly, it is for graduation year 2020 again. So मैं फिर से बोलूंगी, अपने friends relatives को बता दीजिए so that they also get this opportunity. And yeah, date of joining is end February 2021. It will be virtual onboarding. जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन हम देख लेते हैं एक बार. वैसे भी मैं आपके साथ लिंक शेयर करूंगी ही डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, सो दैट यू गेट like complete idea कि क्या किस company के बारे में है. So here it is, guys. Eligibility criteria is given here. Interview and assessment process is given here. Aptitude test hoga, coding test hoga, technical screening will be there, technical discussion will be there. Then there will be HR round. These 5 things are there, guys. So बहुत ही कॉन्फिडेंट होके जाना है अपने HR में और टेक्निकल डिस्कशन में, और जितना आता है सब बता देने का. दैट्स इट. डरने वरने का नहीं. ग्रेजुएशन और बीटेक में दिया रखा है 65%, 10th एंड 12th में 60, बैकलॉग्स में up to 1 is allowed, and then gaps less than a year. So guys, check it out. And yeah, I read about it. Yeah, service agreement is 2 years, guys. See here, stipend is 22,000 per month. So अपने कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर कर लो टेक्निकल डिस्कशन के लिए या प्रोग्रामिंग के लिए. It'll help you. And thirdly, we are going to talk about Infosys, which is only for Telangana. So Telangana guys, आप प्लीज ये ध्यान से सुन लीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स या रिलेटिव्स अगेन जो तेलंगाना में है उनको बता दीजिए, सो दैट उनको हेल्प मिल सके. इसकी लास्ट डेट टू अप्लाई इज 25 जनवरी 2021 11 AM. गाइस, यू गॉट 1 डे. सो रजिस्टर करना शुरू कर दीजिए, दोज हु हैव नॉट रजिस्टर्ड. It is for the system engineer. As you can see, domain is IT, designation system engineer that I told. Eligibility is this: ME, MTech, BE, BTech, and the branches will be CSE, IT, ECE, EEE, that is Triple E, Mech, Civil, Auto, EIE, Aeronautical, Chemical, and Biotechnology only. MCA, MSc in Computer Science, Electronics, Mathematics, Physics, and Stats, graduating in 2021 students who possess aggregate of 70% होना चाहिए भाई आपका 10th 12th में, और aggregate होना चाहिए 70% का in diploma. Undergraduate or post graduation without any active or standing backlogs only need to apply. So ये चीज ध्यान में रख के ही अप्लाई करना. एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया मैटर्स अ लॉट. CTC, as I told, is 3.6. Job description, guys, this is the job description. Bond period is 1 year service agreement. Mindtree में 2 years था. Skills required, academic अच्छा होना चाहिए आपके. Selection process will be, first round will be online test, second will be technical and HR interview, guys. And third is, one more thing is to be noted is the candidates जिन्होंने 9 महीने में last 9 months में already Infosys में या participate किया रखा है, they are not allowed to register. They need to relocate to any location as required by Infosys is their condition. They should be willing to work in different technologies. And guys, please get to know this is for Telangana only. So help your friends and relatives. And all 3 job vacancies, I'll be sharing this in the description box, the link. So please go through all the links. Go through the link and please check this out for yourself and your friends and family, whosoever want to register for the companies. And I wish you all the best. I wish you reach the success and the heights. And please let us know whoever gets selected in the comment section. And thank you so much for attending this video session. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Put a smile on your face and work hard. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.